Hi, I'm Alistair from the Mower Shack. This is our Stiga CG66 Easy Ride, and it's very easy to ride. It has a detachable grass box collector on the back, and also here at the rear, you can put this into neutral should you wish to push the machine into your shed or if you run out of fuel. This just slots back on and also tips from the rear so that you don't have to get off. Moving around to the side, we have the ignition, accelerator, forwards and reverse pedals, and a small brake. And on the left-hand side, we engage the blades by moving that back, and in they go. That's the blades engaged. You can drive around without the blades being engaged. When the blades are engaged, should you wish to reverse and cut at the same time, there's a safety override button here. If at any point you turn the ignition and nothing happens, it's not the battery, it's a safety device. You need to be sitting on the machine. So you sit on the machine, you always start it on full revs and switch it off on low revs. So I'll just start it and show you it moving forwards and backwards. It's this easy to use. Always engage the blades on full revs. It's got a fantastic turning circle as well. CG66, one of the best machines we've ever had.